I see red instead of. Hello, everybody. I'm fine, thank you. Just waking up. We got our buy side liquidity here on the E-mini, on the spools. This is the actual spool. No, this is the Nasdaq. Thank you. Right there. And on the E-mini, here's that buy side liquidity. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, what's up? Hey, Nick. Yes, exactly. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. People forget to do that. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. So, no bias for today. Looking for the rate on this liquidity on the NASDAQ for possible shorts right here. Haven't taken a haven't taken a trade today. Gold. Yeah, I mean there was absolutely no setup here on gold to go to get this long. Yesterday's longs were a massive hit. Where were they? We took these longs from, I guess, from here to here? I don't know. I don't remember. 50 minute. I don't remember those longs. Well, mates, I think we're here. Or here. I don't know. But those shorts worked phenomenally. I didn't take them because I was already long and I had already made money yesterday. So there was no setup here to go long. Hello, the fourth wall. Nick, short gold from 22.97. 22.97, so it must be this. 22.97. What the fuck is 22? You're short gold from 22.97, so from here, where are your stop losses? I'm short gold to 22.97. Oh, okay, cool. Good morning. So liquidity rated here on gold, perhaps we can actually get some shorts in play. All right, let's have a look at this. I don't want to go short gold. Let's blindly, right? Possible euro shorts too. We shall see about that. So this liquidity got rated, all right? So I'm gonna wait for a market structure shift, possibly for gold shorts. I need to wait for this structure shift here. So a break of this lows perhaps will give me some short opportunities. I can't say that I see a setup right now, Gu- Um, so this is the Euro futures. Ah, this is very nice. Now oh boy, I will probably take some shorts here today. Most likely, these equal highs, as you notice, got rated already. So here's that buy side liquidity that got rated. Right into well, there's a breaker here. Yeah, this is very nice. Let's see about those Euro shorts. I'll probably take some shorts here, just not aggressively. Very aggressively. Yeah, very aggressive shorts, very mild. Very mild risk, about $300 worth of risk, 07. Stop loss, sell at market, 07. What? 0770 or so, 0765. I'm gonna grab 4 contract short. Yep. Just on the rain, right? Don't follow this trade. This is super aggressive. I'm not even taking this on my Trade-O-Vate account. Just the top step. Yeah, I'm waiting for the market open, mate. I'm definitely waiting for the market open here to get things moving. All right, so short here. I'm watching the Nasdaq here. Watching gold. Yeah, gold on that radar, and this is the E-mini. Oh boy. Muchas gracias, señora. Uh-huh. Oh, my coffee's here. What is this? Daily open. Oh, you know what? I'll play with that. Daily open. So on the, I mean, the E-mini S&P 500 is the one that I'm looking the least of the four. The one that I really dig is that buy side liquidity rate on the Nasdaq. So uh, this is the one that I'm looking at. And of course, we got that rate on liquidity on gold. So possible gold shorts too. So possible gold shorts, possible Nasdaq shorts. We'll see. Now we do have some sell side liquidity on the Nasdaq side, right? So here's that box. Here's the Nasdaq box, the 50-minute Nasdaq pre-market. I mean, this is my box, right? I don't trade within the box. This is my 50-minute pre-market buy side and sell side liquidity on the Nasdaq. There you go. So that's what needs to get rated for me to get involved. And same thing here on the Nasdaq, on the E-mini S&P 500. We need a rate on these highs or these lows for me to get involved. So yeah, and here I'm waiting for the open. I took this aggressive entry short on the euro on that rate. I'm okay with that mild risk. This is an aggressive account that I trade. As you can see, I didn't take this trade on my 300K account, just on this. That's why I didn't send it as a VIP signal either, mates. That's the box. USD looking weak so far since data release. Yeah, I know. And we also got pending home sales today, right? This is not a, well, it is a market moving news, but I'm not paying too much attention to news releases today. Just waiting for this, mate. Just waiting for the open. Nothing much to do here but wait for the open. And you know what? I'm trying to. My fucking keyboard run out of it ran out of batteries, but now it won't pair with my Bluetooth thingy here on my computer. I don't know why, man. Shit. I don't know why. So if USD weaks, your bias will be bullish on equities. No, I don't know. I don't. I don't look too much at USD and equities correlation. I really don't. I would definitely be stopped out of my euro shorts. That's yo F1. How are you, Godspeed Freeman? What the fuck is wrong with this? My Bluetooth can't find my keyboard. There you go. Connect. Connecting my keyboard. Oh, 006 7388. Enter. What? 9919. What? This is the thing. I think it's, well, I don't know. I'm gonna use the keyboard on my laptop. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Whoa. Player refreshed.
Player refreshed.
Ray, I stepped out. That's okay. See, that's why I don't take aggressive entries on my other account, and that's why I don't send aggressive entries uh, um, to my VIP group. Now in gold, same thing. I need for that market structure shift. So basically, this is a very bullish market today, gold, right? So I really need that structure shift in this market for me to go short. And I'm very keen on trading the Nasdaq today, guys. Either way, to the upside or to the downside, I don't give a shit. I don't have no bias. I just need my setup. I really don't give a shit if it's to the upside or to the downside. Really. Yeah, just why haven't you liked this video? Come on, 4 likes. I need to like. I need you to like the video, like Nick says. I never asked for this. Maybe I should. All right. So the other thing about this gold short is this: that here we have that rate on liquidity, but this is not going to be a changing character right here because that's dumb, right? The low that created the rate on liquidity is this one. So I really need for a market structure shift below this low in order for me to look for shorts, right? Not before. No, I'm not. I just play one aggressive entry per day, just for fun, right? No more aggressive entries for me. Same thing here on the euro. Let's have a look. This is what I'm looking for. Starting a FTMO prop challenge soon. Any advice for a first timer? If you're profitable, just trade the same way, man. Don't get too much into your head. Just trade the same way. And this is me when it comes to challenges. You can see I was up about 7K. Now I'm down to plus 3K. I'm very aggressive on my trading size because I want to get funded fast. Maybe I was too aggressive last week, but yeah, you do you.
Just note SOFR rates have risen to their highest in over 3 weeks. According to analysts, they're amid repo pressure. Again, don't forget it's month end, quarter end, so we could see some tight money situations going through.
All right. So the market just opened. Let's see about these raids on liquidity. The market just opened super slow, 7:30. It is open, right? New York time now. Yeah, it's 9:30 in New York. The market just opened, and whew, let's see about this. All right, so here's the NQU. Oh, here NQU4. All right, I'm ready for anything. All right, let's look at this. How do I? There. Ooh, ooh. And to get the correct pricing for the VIPs, should go here. All right, so just waiting. Waiting. Right here. There you go. We got that raid. Oh, 1 minute chart. Right on liquidity here on the Nasdaq. That doesn't mean I'm gonna go short, man. That does not mean I'm gonna go short. Of course not. I could definitely enter one contract short right now, but no. I need to see really because I don't know if this is a rate on liquidity or a break of structure, right? I don't know. I have no clue. This is looking very bullish right now. That doesn't mean much either. You know what? We might get here. And gold have an opportunity too. All right. Very, 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 very bullish break. Uh-huh. And here I'm gonna go to the minute chart. Let's see about this. Sure. Oh. Here's the waiting game, guys. If you need to ask a question, go ahead. I need to answer some messages myself. Oh, all right, baby. All right, so the Nasdaq is gone, baby. Alert on E. I don't know about this alert, man. Oh, platinum. I didn't watch. I didn't. Platinum is something that I've been trading lately. I can't send signals on platinum though because because of this. Just have a look at the spread on these fucking things. Upper Latinum. I don't even know what the fuck it is. Here. Oh, maybe I can. I don't know. And the Nasdaq. All right, the Nasdaq is gooners, but the S&P 500 might give us that buy side liquidity squeeze. So, yeah, no, don't go short on the Nasdaq, man. That was a clean break of those highs. But again, just have a look at this fucking thing, man. More buy side liquidity rated. So let's have a look about this. What happens here? So this is Gooners. This is motherfucking Gooners. Oh boy, what did I do? I don't know what I did, man. All right. So the S&P 500 also made the same break here on this liquidity spot. Oh, what a bird. So equities are pretty toughly bullish today. Let's wait for this. I mean, I don't have a setup here, guys, but I'm gonna stay here for the entire fucking session trading. Doesn't I mean, if I don't get a setup right now, it doesn't mean. Platinum is mental. Yeah, it is, but it's good, man. I mean, it's very trendy. So have a look at this. We got a fucking big gap here. I'm not gonna trade platinum today. Of course not. What we're going to do, we're going to look for some other fucking assets to trade with. 6E. I do like this short on the euro, man. We do have home sales or whatever the fuck. So I'm gonna wait for that. There you go. Look at this. Look at the S&P 500, right there. Very cleanly rating that liquidity. And what the fuck is? Where is it? Rating this one too, motherfuckers. All right, so I'm gonna go short S&P 500. I'm gonna go short S&P 500. Right there. I'm gonna go short. No, there's a buy side liquidity, motherfuckers. Not yet, right? Let's wait. On the 3-minute chart. I need to wait for a shift, right? There you go. I need for that. I need a fair value gap created, or a close below this IFVG, right? We have a big ass IFVG here. Inverted fair value gap. Close below this IFVG would be cool. Will give me my short entry. Stop losses above the highs. I'm gonna prepare this. So on the S&P 500 side here on CFDs, it would be the same, guys. If you trade MT4, MT5, here's that inverted fair value gap. We need a close below that inverted fair value gap. Stop losses should go all the way up here, 5499. We are not short yet. We are not short yet. I am not short yet. I am definitely not short yet. This is very bullish. I don't have a bear setup just yet. Gold soon? No, gold is trading within the box. We will see what we have here on gold. Maybe shorts, maybe longs. I don't know. Open widget, motherfucker. It's very bullish. We have not. Yeah. So NASDAQ, 1 minute on the NASDAQ. There you go. Maybe we get a short on the NASDAQ. I'll probably short the NASDAQ actually, guys. I will most definitely go short on the NASDAQ very aggressively. Thank you. Not yet. I'm not shorting the NASDAQ just yet. This is I'm gonna go short on the S&P 500 actually at a close below the IFVG. Like I told you, I don't have a setup on the NASDAQ. I have a setup on the S&P 500 right there. So I close below the box, right? The NASDAQ had an IFVG here, but I just don't like the setup. I could, in fact, go short one contract here on the NASDAQ right now, which I think I'm gonna do. on all accounts. I'm gonna go short the Nasdaq here, sell at market.
Order filled.
With my stop losses all the way above here. This is very mild risk, not a VIP signal. So my stop loss should go all the way up here on the Nasdaq at 2106. 2106. So that's a shit. That's a that's a 700 also risk. That's a good one. It's a buy stop here, and here also a buy stop. So this is how it looks on the 5-minute chart on that rate. Let's see. I might get stopped out. I might not. One contract short on the Nasdaq. After the raid, right? This was pretty clear. We rated that liquidity. We created new lows. I don't know. So aggressive entries is something I don't send as a signal. As you can see, I didn't send it as a signal. I don't like how the S&P 500 is taunting these highs. But there. So the S&P 500 created new highs here, whilst the Nasdaq did not. So we might get some kind of a bearish divergence here. I don't know. We might. For the time being, this is how the trade is looking. Very bad. It's okay, guys. You can't win them all. But my stop loss should go at 2108 to 09. And here's 2109 shit. There, that's okay. So about a G worth of risk. Now, here's that the S&P 500. Now the S&P 500 creating that higher high, whilst the Nasdaq did not create a higher high. Very nice divergence. I like that. Now, on the S&P 500 side, we do have this as a market structure shift low, right there. Market structure shift low. That's where I'll look for that short on the S&P 500. That will be a signal. If we get that market structure shift. So right here we have that divergence, right? Well. Here's that divergence I was talking about. So this is a 1 minute divergence, so don't trust it too much, but still a divergence nonetheless. All right, so let's wait for this possible shift in structure and the S&P 500. We are going to look for those shorts on the S&P 500 on a break of these lows, right? We need a break of these lows. We need a fair value gap created. There you go. There's, or a breaker. We do have this entire zone as a possible short zone or sell limit zone. We have that break, no, equal lows right now created, equal lows created, right? We need that push, and we are going to get short here on this fair value gap. So we have that imbalance here, that imbalance play, and here is right there. So sell limit here and 299.50 or so, 45 and 54. 54 what? 54.99. That's and 9 modify. There you go. Okay. Now this is the signal. This is the signal for the VIP sell limit, and there you go. That's the shift in structure. That's the shift in structure we needed. So nice move on the Nasdaq. I'm up on the Nasdaq, green on the Nasdaq. I will take this imbalance also on the S&P 500. This imbalance play for futures. ESU4. I also send it's a 5555, no 55. Oh shit, 5550. Stop loss at. Trade new order. 55555. It's a sell limit. I'm gonna do 3 units. No. I'm personally going to do 2. All right, good move on the Nasdaq. Pretty happy about that move on the Nasdaq. I'm gonna go here on the E-mini S&P 500. I'm gonna place 2 at the same levels. I'm actually going to go lower here, 55. Sell limit. There it is. Up $700 here on the Nasdaq shorts. I'm gonna be closing my Nasdaq shorts here. Pretty happy about this. Closing my Nasdaq shorts. NQ. There you go. Boom.
Order filled.
There you go, 1K. Now I'm gonna wait for the E-mini S&P 500. So that that divergence always works, right? Not always works, but this is what you need to be looking for on these plays, right? On the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. These are the things that I look for. I look for the rate on liquidity. I look for the market structure breaks. I look for those divergences that usually give me a very good entry. Now, let's go to a 3-minute chart. I could play this imbalance right here on the 3-minute chart, but that's too fucking wide. I'm gonna play this breaker, so I'm gonna go lower on my entry on the S&P 500. Still short, guys. Still short. So modifying to 5549.25. That's my entry short. This is the entire breaker I'm talking about. I'm gonna go breaker here. Breaker. Right there. So, again, a close below that fair value gap or inverted fair value gap would have, so on 3-minute chart, I'm going to leave it this here. So 5,549, 5,549, very good. So very nice short here. Aggressive short on the NASDAQ, right? Very aggressive short on the NASDAQ. Very nice TP on the NASDAQ too, as you might seen, 49.25. Yeah. And of course, stop loss. So I forgot about this. Buy stop. So I'm alerting the VIPs that I'm modifying my entry on the futures. Oh boy. So 5,549.25. 25. So this is the thing. You saw that I was on my Nasdaq shorts, right? I was hold on, fuck. I was on a drawdown, right? So, but I mean, if you saw me, I was okay with the drawdown, the the drawdown, the everything, right? Don't mix emotions. So yeah, the fourth wall. If you are looking for advice, it's just do your thing. Don't mix emotions. It's the same thing. I mean, it's if it works on a $500 account, it will work on a $5 million account. So that's something that people don't tell you. And it's the truth. If it works on a $500 account, it will work on a $5 million account. Because it's the same fucking thing. What matters is the decision-making process, right? That's what matters. So that liquidity got rated here on the E-mini S&P 500. Very nice short here too on that NASDAQ. So just waiting for to get filled here on that breaker play. Here's the breaker I'm looking at, and here's the IFVG, right? So we need a tick or two above that IFVG, and we are in short on the S&P 500. All right, so up for the day. I'm not trading the NASDAQ anymore. Here's that trade. I mean, to the tick. Very nice TP on the NASDAQ. And as you can see, yeah, I could have entered a higher on a pullback. My entry was just what's the worst, right? My entry was the worst. My entry should have been, yeah, higher here at the IFBG actually. I would have made double what I made. So that's something to remind me of that. Yeah, that entry. So even though I made money, my entry was horrible. Right? It sucked. Hey, have a look at that euro. So that must be a very, very nice bullish move on the DXY. Let's have a look at the 5-minute chart on this motherfucker. Euro USD, right? 3-minute chart on the Euro USD. Yeah, liquidating everybody. I'm not touching that. Yeah, still waiting for it. Now I'm just looking at the S&P 500 for possible. Remember that we do have pending home sales. Whoa. What broker are you using for SPX? Think markets, mate. Think markets. ¿Qué pasa? Gold, please. I have no playing gold. What the fuck are you going to do? You want to trade this? Go ahead. Be my guest. Be my fucking guest. I'm not trading gold today. But if you're welcome, Kevin. So, hey, what about this? Pending home sales in 4 seconds. Ooh, very bad. Why isn't he speaking? This fucking...
Player
Wants to
refreshed.
be absolutely certain inflation will return to 2% before an initial cut that should be seen as the first in a series.
All right, there
That
we
is
go.
a reason for patience.
I am,
Share of goods rising
Order
5%
filled.
more, has fallen
I am
below
Phil
20%.
Short Futures. Phil Short Futures. Let's see if we are Phil here. Yes. Also, Phil Short SPX. Phil Short Futures, Phil Short SPX. That's a beautiful thing. Damn it.
More from Boss. It says inflation remains the chief concern. Businesses say there are no cliff. That they see no cliff ahead of for the job market. Service businesses say pricing power is eroding. Housing costs are a frontline conversation, though he remains confident shelter inflation will fall back into line. Labour market loosening, but not loose.
There you go. That's a nice short. GC, have a look at gold. Gold, just liquidating those highs. I'm not trading gold today, guys. Fuck that. So focusing on this shorts on the S&P 500. Very nice feel here at the breaker. We're not out of the woods just yet, but I'm liking the setup. I don't know about you. Running at, I mean, look at this fucking sniper entry on the SPX. No,
Just quick some comments there from the NAR chief economist Laurie.
I am short the SPX, the E-mini, the ES. I'm short, most definitely short the ES. I'm gonna target this this liquidity right here. So I'm gonna place my targets too. This is where I shall take profits. If it runs in my direction, if it doesn't, that's okay. I'm gonna be up for the day either way. This is some sell side liquidity that I shall target. So placing my TP here at it's a buy limit. There you go. And here too. Hold on. Where is it? 5533. The 5533. There you go. Buy limit. And here it should be around this. So I'm gonna go 5476. 76 5, 5, 4, 70, 76, 76, 80. Fuck it. Uh-huh. There you go. Boom, shakalaka. Uh, Good day, sir. I'm new to trading. I want to trade Algobot with the amount of $300. For Algobot, just email support. I have no information on that product. I have zero information on that product. I don't know, man. I should. I sure as shit don't know. I sure as shit don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna send the TPs to my VAPs. So the TP on SPX 500 is what? 54 what? 5476. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And TP on futures 5533. 5533. And there you fucking go. That's what we're going to do today. Shorting the S&P 500. That's the only thing I will do today. Shorting the S&P 500. All right, so I got a lot to do, guys. Hope you enjoy the show. This is what we do. This is what I do. Yeah, if you want to become a VIP, I'm not gonna go do no. I'm not gonna do any giveaway. I just don't feel like it because I need more people here, right? More active chat, a more active chat room. So I'm not doing a giveaway, but I might do it tomorrow. So please join me. Mohammed, you already missed the entry, mate. Sorry about that. I will see you tomorrow. If you want to trade with me, if you want to be a VIP, the link is below this video.